Hello. Today, we're going to be sharing Learning Upgrade's comprehensive solution for adult basic education, high school equivalency, college readiness, and employability skills. So we have 20 years of learning success throughout the United States and in our home state of California. We're used in all 50 states. We've been used by more than 2 million students, and we're rapidly growing in adult education, currently in use by over 1,000 programs. We have a proven and validated solution, and we're also the grand prize winners of the Adult Literacy X Prize. The key here is that Learning Upgrade has proven success in adult ed in California. We have a track record of being in use for adult basic education, HSE, and success for each individual students and also at the site level, being able to provide these learners with the college skills they need to take that next step in life, and then also providing them with the employability skills to go and get the jobs that they need for the future. So what is Learning Upgrade? Learning Upgrade is a two-part system. There's the Learning Upgrade app, and there's the Learning Upgrade learning management system. The students use our 22 courses with over 1,000 lessons to improve their ABE, HSE, college readiness, and employability skills, and the teachers are able to log into the LMS to track and monitor student success in real time. Our math lessons cover basic all the way up to GED diploma. English can take your learner that's an NRS level 1 all the way up to an NRS level 5. And all of our English and math courses are aligned to the CCRS, Common Core, and CASA standards. Now, we also have digital literacy to prepare your learners for tomorrow's job market. All of our digital literacy lessons are aligned to the ISTE and North Star standards, and all 22 courses, math, English, and digital literacy, use exciting video, games, and rewards to keep your learners coming back for more. So our app is designed to facilitate what we call binge learning. This is similar to the binge watching that everybody's familiar with on Netflix and YouTube. Your learners have access to all 22 Learning Upgrade courses. They can take a placement test to be automatically enrolled to any one of these courses for English or math, or you can directly enroll them based on previous scores if they'd like to jump into a course right away. You'll see we have our English at the top, math in the middle, and then our skill courses at the bottom. So your learners that need those skills on computer basics, coding, for digital literacy, if they're getting ready to take that GED math test, we have those courses there. But all 22 courses are available to each and every student. Let's jump in to see what one of our courses looks like. You'll see 60 lessons. Every single Learning Upgrade course has 60 lessons, and your learners are going to work through these one at a time. 1 through 59 are content. So they're going to start out with instruction that's engaging, animation. We're going to walk them through what they need to know. And then after they have the instruction, they're going to go and answer the practice questions. Now, Learning Upgrade has tens of thousands of practice questions, and each one is going to be self-paced and individualized with instant remediation and feedback. So as your learner takes what they learned in the instruction, they'll get to answer those questions and put what they learned to use. Now, every single Learning Upgrade student account is going to be accessible on a smartphone, tablet, or a computer. Learning Upgrade goes wherever your learners go. And for CDCR, any single technology deployment that you're going to do at a site, Learning Upgrade can fit in. So if you have new tablets for a site, Learning Upgrade can work on those tablets. And then if a learner leaves that program and goes to a program that uses a computer lab, they can log in with that same exact account and pick up right where they left off.
So Learning Upgrade matches very closely with the CDCR's needs for ABE, HSE, college readiness, and employability. So let's go through them. For ABE, CDCR has the 3 ABE levels, and we have 480 lessons that match ABE 1 through our math and English courses. And at ABE level 2, we have 240 lessons, and ABE 3, 180 lessons. What will happen with the ABE is that each learner takes a placement test and gets leveled right into the English and math courses that they need. And then they'll move up all the way through ABE 3 and be ready for diploma HSE prep. Now for GED and HiSET, we have a comprehensive set of GED and HiSET prep courses and prep courses before that, so that we can take a student all the way from wherever they are, all the way up through passing the test. This is our GED math course. And you'll notice the 60 lessons. What's very important here is, unlike other test prep, which is just giving you practice questions, we teach a student every one of these topics so that they're ready to take the test. Now for college and career readiness, we have over 1,000 lessons that match the CCRS standards. What's important here is we do very rigorous problem-solving activities, with critical thinking, so that students aren't just answering quick multiple choice questions, but are doing multi-step problems that are getting them ready for college classes. We also work on writing techniques so that they will be able to write essays and do critical thinking and response. And finally, we prepare students for college entrance exams. Sometimes they're TABE tests or math prep. Now, finally, we have our brand new course, Digital Literacy. This is a course that's exactly aligned to both the ISTE and North Star digital skills standards. For so many jobs today, there's a requirement for digital skills. We cover everything from computer basics to cloud and local files to using documents online, privacy, security, and digital citizenship.
So the learning upgrade instruction is perfectly tailored for CDCR. The first reason for that is we're able to take your learners the very first time they use the app, have them take a quick placement for our English and math, and then directly enroll them in the appropriate course. They get to start at their level and then work on a self-paced and individualized path to success. You also have the option to directly enroll your learners based on placement tests that they may have taken in the past. So CASAS, TABE, CCRS, NRS. If you know their current level, you can have them directly enroll into our courses that way. The second reason is that the individualized learning plan for each student provides them with a differentiated path. So every learner, again, is going to start at their own level. The instructor or the admin can view that immediately, and then they can track and monitor that student's progress as they make their way through the Learning Upgrade app. Instructors can intervene, so if you need to modify a course, move a student ahead, move them back, you're able to modify those lessons at any time. And all of those lessons are scaffolded to adjust to a student's performance and proficiency. Students get to automatically review any low-scoring lessons, so they don't just skip over or hit roadblocks, they get to repeat those difficult lessons to mastery. And then again, each student is going to follow their individual path to mastery. So if you have 10 students, 100 students, or 10,000 students, every single one of them is going to have their own individualized path to success. Now, teachers and admins can track and monitor all of this progress using our learning management system. Teachers get to log in at the class level, view individual student course reports, see how every single one of their learners is performing in real time. Admins at the site level or at the state level can log in and see how an entire site is doing, see how the state is doing, and get that top-down data for the entire program to help them make decisions. We're able to track things like student sessions, view their login, view which devices they're using. The class and teacher reports allow you to see which students are having success when they've completed a lesson, how many hours they're spending on each one, and every single score that they've logged within the system. All of the Learning Upgrade English and Math courses are aligned to CCRS and CASAS. You can view all of those alignments. We have PDFs for that. Go to learningupgrade.com and click on the Courses tab, and you'll be able to view those documents online. Now, every single student account follows that student wherever they go. So as your students transition from ABE 1, 2, 3, HSE through college and career readiness and get ready for the job market, that account is going to go with your learner. So if they switch from one classroom to another, one site to another, once they get started with Learning Upgrade, they're going to be able to take their username and password for that account and access it anywhere and on any device. Now, multiple teachers can track an individual student in real time. So a student can show up for multiple teachers. The site admins can see that top-down data and view every single student as they progress through the site. And then the monitoring and the learning scores for every single one of your learners can be mapped up to the equivalents like CASAS. So again, we have placement tables and alignment tables to help you do that. Now, I want to focus on this. With one app, you're going to be able to cover all of your HSE, ABE, college and career readiness, and prepare your students with 22 courses, tens of thousands of practice questions without having to jump to another platform. With one single app and one single program, you can address all of your needs and have all of your learners' needs met as well. Thank you for your time.